friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show you one easy science experiment part 6. If you're new to my channel, still don't subscribe my channel, click on the red subscribe button and small little bell icon so that you can notify when I upload my videos. My first experiment is going to be invisible text. To make invisible text, you need materials like a blank paper, a matchbox, lemon, half cut lemon, chopstick. First, you should take your blank paper and chopstick and a lemon. First, you should take your chopstick and pinch like this. See friend? Like this. Pinch. Afterwards, you should write something on the blank paper. I'll write my name. I wrote something on this. After drying for the sometimes, see you can see still. After drying for the sometimes, we want to wait for the drying. See, we'll wait for the drying. See friends, I have made the blank paper to dry. What I wrote on the lemon juice with chopstick. Next, you should take a candle and burn it. This. Then I will burn this. After this, you should take your invisible paper and you should do like this. On nearest. It is coming. No. It is coming. Friends, now you can see Manish Tech, like and subscribe. See friends, you can see now. This is all my video. If you like this video, like the video, comment the video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.